Can you see yourself in the 2021 Dodge Durango? The Durango delivers rugged, full-size SUV power and capability, advanced safety features, refined comfort, third-row spaciousness, and the bold spirit born of muscle car heritage. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: third-row seat, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident knowing that your vehicle is prepared to meet the challenge. Drive the Durango.